Hey, what's going on guys? This is 5.2 liter. In today's video, I just want to give you a quick overview of what I'm doing in order to keep my car clean during spring, aka pollen season. You're gonna get all this yellow pollen all over the car, especially if your car is black. You're gonna see that pollen like after 5 minutes or so. So it's gonna be very difficult to keep the car clean on a daily basis, but you also don't want to be washing your car every other day or so during this season because it's just so time consuming. So this is my routine. Takes probably like 10-15 minutes, and it's fairly easy in order to just keep the car clean, nice and shiny. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Here we get the Shelby, we got the WRX. WRX out of the way first, but you guys can already see there's a lot of pollen on here that we want to get rid of. Now we have the Subaru out of the way, got the Shelby parked diagonally in the garage, so we have more space in order to get to each corner of the vehicle. You don't want to do this in direct sunlight, as it is very sunny out. We don't want the product to dry too quick. We just want to spray it on, wipe it off, and make it very easy in sunlight. But right here you can tell there's quite the layer of it. I washed the car the other day, but this is really just for an upkeep and make sure that the car is shiny at all times. Alright guys, for this waterless wash, we're gonna be using a product from 5W Auto. You can really use whatever brand you prefer. They have sent me some products from them and I have been really liking them. That's why I show them here. I don't get paid to show you this video. However, there is a code in the description of the video. You can save some percentage of the products, and if you want to go and check those out and help the channel out, I would really appreciate it. But without further ado, let's get to cleaning the car. So again, whatever product you might prefer, just get a waterless wash and really ensure you spray this onto the surface. And I really like going from one panel to the next. So I'm going to start with the doors here. Just going to be spraying the whole door, ensuring there's enough product on there so we don't scratch anything. So you will see the product is running down, and that's what we want to see. We want to have enough on there, really get it saturated. So after you spray the product on, ensure you get a really high quality microfiber towel and start just in one way wiping the product off and cleaning the car. It's just the same with washing your car. You don't want to go in circular motions, you just want to go in straight motions to ensure that you're really minimizing any damages to the paint here. But yeah, just wipe that product off with the clean microfiber towel. And just for all the haters that are gonna say the car's not even dirty, yes, I try to keep it clean, but see all that yellow stuff, we want to get that off. And again, you see all that, I want to really spray that area, get all that product in. I do the whole bumper in the next one. That aside, get your microfiber towel and just wipe that off. You can see in the sun as I said, the product is going to dry a lot quicker. So might have to respray. Alright guys, so I did this process of the whole car, every panel, so you don't see any dirt, any debris on there anymore, and it's super easy. You can do this with different grades of dirt. I am not too worried about scratching anything. I got a PPF on the full hood, on the bumper, and a full ceramic over the car, so there's not really any reason to be scared about doing this process. In case that your car is a lot dirtier than mine was, just spray more product on it and wipe it off, and ensure that you eventually swap the microfiber towels throughout the process if it gets too dirty, because you don't want to take that dirt that you picked up with the microfiber towel and then just wipe over the paint with it. Other than that, it is very, very easy to clean your car like this. Probably took me 10 to 15 minutes, and yeah, it's just a really easy routine in order to keep your car clean. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Let me know how you do the upkeep of your car. Do you wash it every other day? Do you just wait out pollen season and then wash your car? Would be really interesting to see what you guys are doing. Hope this video helped you. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this content. Let me know what you would like to see about the Shelby, and you know, I'll see you in the next one.